Welcome back to our health communication series. Today we are discussing and exploring the various methods that play a crucial role in conveying health information, inspiring behavioral change, and promoting well-being. Hi, my name is Ngo and I am passionate about helping you look your best no matter your age. If you find this video useful, remember to like it, share, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell to be among the first to know when new videos are released. Join me on this informative journey as we explore the diverse and effective methods of health communication. Are you ready? Let's dive in together. Method number 1. Traditional media and health campaigns. Traditional media remains king in health comm. The television, radio, and print media are utilized to disseminate health info and launch impactful campaigns. From public service announcements to in-depth documentaries, traditional media reaches broad and diverse audiences with viral health messages. In a rapidly evolving media landscape, these time-tested methods continue to be influential. Method number 2, digital platforms and social media. In today's digital age, social media and online platforms have become powerful tools for health comm. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and X are leveraged to connect communities, share health tips, and address present health concerns. The immediate and interactivity of digital media enhances the reach and impact of health messages. A tweet or a post has the potential to spark conversations and influence health behaviors globally. Method number 3, interpersonal communication in healthcare settings. Interpersonal communication in healthcare settings is a cornerstone of effective patient care. Doctors, nurses, and healthcare professionals communicate with patients to ensure understanding, provide support, and encourage active participation in their health journeys. This human touch in healthcare comm fosters trust and promotes positive health results. Building a strong patient-provider relationship is key to successful healthcare comm. Method 4, health literacy, materials and educational campaigns. Creating health literacy materials and educational campaigns is a method that focuses on providing clear and understandable info. Brochures, pamphlets, and online resources are designed to address health literacy gaps, empowering you to make informed decisions about your health. Method 5, entertainment, education and storytelling. Entertainment education through the power of storytelling is a captivating method in health comm. Here, narratives, whether in TV shows, movies, or podcasts, are used to convey health messages, normalize healthy behaviors, and destigmatize health issues. The emotional impact of storytelling resonates deeply with people. Sometimes a compelling story is all that is required for change and awareness. The methods of health communication are diverse and dynamic, ranging from traditional media to the digital landscape and the deeply personal interactions in healthcare settings. I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like it, subscribe, and share with other people for health consciousness. Health comm connects us all and promotes a healthier world. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, remember to communicate health and communicate it effectively.